Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Crossfire on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Crossfire on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for the Smilegate website since it's the developer for Crossfire, so on that website is where we can download the game. And after searching, you will now be able to see the Smilegate website, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download Crossfire on this website, first, I want you to change this from Korean to English. And after changing, next, I want you to go to the Game tab. And here at the Game tab, you will now be able to see all the games you can download on Smilegate including Crossfire, so just go and select it. Then click this Go to Website button. And then click the Play for Free button. And after that, you can now click the Download button to start downloading the game. And after clicking it, your Crossfire will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup for Crossfire. So right here, Crossfire will show you the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, click Browse, but if you're already fine with the location, just click Next to proceed. And after that, your Crossfire will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. This will take some time depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. And once the installation was done, you will then be able to see a folder for Crossfire right here, so just go and open it. And right inside the folder, you will be able to see the Crossfire app right here. You will need to install this app to play the game, so just go and click it. And after that, the game app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations, you will now have your Crossfire, enjoy the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.